Hey everyone, welcome to the Dumb Ivy League. So for our first video, we are looking into trigonometry. And on trigonometry, people have been asking me how to memorize a table. So this is the easy and simple way to memorize it. So as you know, in trigonometry, there are ratios and the angles. So under ratio, there are sine, cos, tan, and the reciprocal of these, the cosec, sec, and cot. So as you know, sine is opposite by hypotenuse, cos is adjacent by hypo, tan is opposite by adjacent, and the reciprocal of this is these. So coming to the table, the theta on the side and ratios on this side. So the first angle, which is the theta, is 0 degree, then comes 30 degree, 45, 60, and 90. And the ratios that are sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec, and cot. So for 0 degree, so you have to memorize 0, 45, and 90, and they're easy to memorize as they are very, very, very simple. So for 0 degree, it starts with 0 and go down the vertical side. So it's 0, comes 1 and 0. And as you know, the reciprocal of these ratios are these, right? So this becomes infinite. So reciprocal of 0 is infinite, and it comes 1 and again infinite. And for 45 degree, you have to remember it starts with 1 by root 2 and again 1 by root 2 and 1, and the reciprocal of these, which is root 2, and 1. For 90 degrees, it starts with 1 and comes 0, then comes infinite, and the reciprocal of these. So it comes 1, infinite, and reciprocal of infinite is 0. So for 30 and 60 degree, I have a trick on doing that. So draw a triangle. Let me draw the pig. One moment. So draw a triangle and mark them here as 60, 30, 90. So it's a right angle triangle. So and write the values 1, 2, and root 3. So as you know, sine is opposite by hypotenuse. So if you take 30 degrees, so sine 30 would be opposite over hypotenuse. So what's the opposite side of 30 degrees, which is 1? Let me label them A, B, C. So opposite of 30 degrees is AB, which is 1, and the hypotenuse is 2. So sine 30 would be 1 by 2, and similarly sine 60 would be opposite over hypotenuse, which is root 3 over 2. And for cos, as you know, cos is adjacent by hypotenuse, so cos 30 would be root 3 over 2, and cos 60 would be 1 by 2. And for tan 30 is 1 opposite by adjacent side, so that's 1 by root 3, and 60 would be again, it would be root 3 by 2, or root 3 by 1, sorry, or you can write it as root 3, which would be tan 60. So moving back with these values, you get as 1 by 2, and you get root 3 over 2, 3 over 2, this would be root 3 over 2, this would be 1 by 2, and you get 1 by root 3, 1 by root 3, and root 3, get root 3. And again, the reciprocal of these are 2 by root 3 and root 3, and this would be 2 by root 3, 2, and 1 by root 3. So that's pretty much it, how you memorize a table. And also, if you see, there's some patterns which you can notice here. If you see, it starts with 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and 1, and the opposite of this starts like this. So in the reverse order, so that would be 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and 1. Can you see it? It's the opposite. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you.